Hello everyone! So for today's video, I will update you sa aming preparation ng limited face-to-face here at Santo Tomas Catholic School, Mangaldan, Pangasinan. So sa mga hindi pa po dyan nakapag-enroll, please mag-enroll na po kayo sa amin because your health is our priority. So dito sa aming video, gusto ko pong makita nyo kung how we prepare for the limited face-to-face next school year. So please enjoy watching our video. So first, we have the entrance and the exit of the school. And second, we have the triage. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo po, iba-body temperature check namin yung mga bata. And at the same time, mag-fill up po sila ng health form. And also, we have the isolation area. So here sa aming gym, we have this. Do not sit here. And this one, please keep social distance. In our school clinic, we have the basic medicines for fever, cough, and headache because these are the following symptoms of COVID that we need to treat. So more markings, and we have the COVID-19 classroom rules, and in every classroom we have the alcohol and Lysol, and we have this, do not sit here, and here we have the face-to-face simulation. So first, body temperature check, and they need to fill up the health form of the school. And then of course, mag-alcohol sila. And here we have the markings going to the entrance of the school. And then alcohol ulit. So as you can see, we provided markings, and here is the hand wash area. And here we have the ongoing construction of our hand wash facility. Thank you so much for watching our video. Thank you. Please mag-subscribe na rin kayo. Don't forget to like and share. Salamat!